Today we will be analyzing Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's start with the analysis. On the monthly chart is our highest time frame. As always, we have a supply zone right here that is almost taking control. Its price has touched it, drop, and then about to touch it again. So we don't want to go longs in here, but let's see if there's any opportunities on the lower time frames to trade. So this is the monthly supply zone. So let me draw a horizontal line here. Okay. So this horizontal line is that monthly supply zone. This is the weekly supply zone. We can narrow it down some more here. So it touched there and then it dropped. And then it's going back up, but it formed a level of demand right here that's holding price up. So we're expecting price to bounce between this demand zone and this higher time frame supply zone and this supply zone. So it tested it once already, dropped, and then it has quite a bit of demand down here for price to not drop, below there. So that's what's happening on the weekly chart. We have price ranging in between this. But demand zone has been tested twice now. Drop, then go back in here. So bullish, bearish pin bar. On the daily, this is what we have. We have demand zone down here. Price drop into here, tested it many times, went back up, and then made a deeper penetration into this daily demand zone. But it did form a very strong, see this strong candle, and price is reacting very nicely. It's starting to react to it, so that's what it's doing right now. This is a very strong zone here. On the weekly, because of the bearish pin bar, this could react a little bit, but most likely it's gonna go back down just because of the weekly pin bar here. Usually when it does that, it drops lower. There's another zone down here on the weekly. Lots of trading here. So that's what we have on the monthly. It's a downtrend. Supply zone is in control. It's in control here. It's trying to rally. So price is going to be ranging in between this supply zone and this demand zone down here. Weekly, we have this weekly demand zone that it's been staying into. It rallied, tried to rally again, but dropped. This demand zone is a very strong demand zone. It could bounce for a few pips up here, but most likely it's going to make its way back down and probably eventually remove this demand zone down here, because our higher time frames are down. So we need this middle time frame to show bullish signal before we want to go long. Okay, that is it for this analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love. I'll see you in the next one.